ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the front of the airplane. We were all set for landing into Trivandrum. Unfortunately, they did notice some birds on the runway, due to which we had to cancel our approach. We just, another 5 minutes from Trivandrum, we're just going to swing by and do another approach. Do sit back and relax, another 5 minutes before we can have you on your way. Thank you for your patience and cooperation. And we do hope you understand that the cancel approach was in the interest of everyone's safety.